Learning how to enlarge a drawing to scale using a grid makes enlarging a picture so easy. Let's enlarge this cute picture of Winnie the Pooh, and we'll make a grid over it that has 1/2 by 1/2 inch squares. Then go ahead and number those with numbers across the top, letters down the side, and we'll draw a large grid on our second piece of paper that's 1 inch by 1 inch squares. Then copy what is in each one of those squares to the new paper, A1 to A1, A2 to A2. It will turn out so cute. I went ahead and then went over the lines with a black marker and erased all of those grid marks on my new paper, which left a great copy. It's twice as big as the other. Learning how to enlarge a drawing to scale with a grid will really come in handy for your drawing. For more drawing tutorials, come on over to welcometonanas.com and join the fun.